welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Hope you're doing okay. This video is going up on a Friday morning, but this was last week Saturday when I started this vlog. Took me a week and a half to do this. Honestly, I give it to content creators. They're doing an amazing job. It's crazy putting out content out there back to back. Anyway, welcome guys. If you're new here, awesome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're one of our OGs, hey, thank you for coming back as well. Hope you guys had a fantastic week. I just wanted to say, have a splendid weekend coming ahead. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who watched my last video. Thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. Not just watched, they also a lot of people commented as well, and I'm really grateful for that. I know we're starting small, but of course, growth is inevitable with consistent content. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so you know when I drop new videos. Okay, so we decided to go to Milestone on Saturday because we're just really bored at home. We just wanted something nice to eat. Guys, this food was giving. Hey, Milestones just has my heart. I decided to do something new with my order today. Instead of what I usually order, I just did the Wham Bam shrimp. That's what it's called. It's so juicy and tasty. And did normal fries and M wings. I think that's what it's called. Just the spicy one. It was so good. Food was so good. And my husband did something dual ring back. I can't remember the name now. But it was really good. It was really good, guys. Like, we've been here several times, but this is the first time I've had something I really like. So yeah, it's recommended, guys. You can see how I was enjoying my food here. It was so good. So if there's milestone anywhere around you, please, this is not a paid advert anyway. This is just me raving about it because I really like their food. They're never going to see this video. Probably never going to see this video, at least now. But yeah, the food was so good. It was so good. So if you're in Canada or where you have milestones, yeah, check them out for good food. And this was Monday morning. After all the crap I had over the weekend, my feed farm was back in my mind. I just wanted to have something very light to drink in the morning, so I made my usual smoothie, just the regular strawberry and banana and some Greek yogurt. That was all. Yeah, and then yeah, that's how my day went. Nothing serious happened, and then my daughter was crying in the background here. I had to mute the audio because she was screaming. She had just had her lunch, but she wasn't having it. She saw this and she just wanted to jump on it. Anyways, yeah. Reminder to make a smoothie and your feed farm journey. And later Monday night, I decided to do some egusi soup. It's egusi soup. If I should gist you guys, it was, well, second time I had made it in a very long time. My husband was craving plain egusi soup. I was like, okay, I'll help you make it without veggies. And it was so good. It was not just, it was like the tread. How do I don't know how to describe it, but it was so good. And I made it with stockfish and then smoked turkey, so you can imagine how it tasted. Hey, it was finger licking good. This was paired with one correct pound yam, like that, as in it was so good. Hi guys, how are you? So today we're starting today's vlog with, we're going to Costco. We have some things to pick up and I am trying to navigate my way, pushing my little one in my hands. Let me pick up a couple of things here. In front of the place, yeah. Alright guys, come along with me and let's shop. Guys, Costco is always crazy. It feels like the whole world is in here right now. Like I don't even know what direction to go. It feels like everybody's in here. It's crazy. Oh my god. I'm just going to give you an idea of what's going on here. No, I can't see. I just picked up one of these. Seems like it's a good sauce. This one here. Yeah, we're just gonna try it. Don't know. Mama, what are we buying? I'm so confused, to be honest. Let's see. Spaghetti? Spaghetti? Native rice. I still have that. Beef ravioli. I used to like this ravioli back in the days. Sorry, my love. Nutella? Grab one? Okay. That's the thing. Everything in Costco is always extra. You always have two. That's Kirkland though. Possibly. Very, very possible. But that'll be weird. I'll be shocked if you buy another brand because you're very used to buying the same thing that you've always had. I will be very shocked. Do you eat it that much though? Yes. Okay. Oh, you do too? Oh no, as in it's together. I'm looking for granola. So guys, I'm trying to do Feed Fam. I have no idea what to buy. What to buy? Organic peeled carrots. I already have carrots at home. I'm trying to think of what kind of veggies I like. Celery? No. Sweet kale? Not really.
sure what this is. What am I going to be using for my stir fry? I don't know yet. This is kale, spinach. Grab one for my smoothies. Grab a bag. Smoothies. Lettuce, I don't need that much. Broccoli would have been good, but I think I'll just do sweet peppers. Oranges and stuff. Like, how do we get up there? Babe, okay. I only bought spinach. I couldn't find peppers and stuff. I don't even know where we are going. Okay, I'm looking for chicken breasts, like. Let's check here for some chicken breasts. Chicken breasts, I think. Where they are. Oh wow. I don't know why breast is so expensive. Everywhere. I need something for everything is so pricey. Jeez, so much cheap. Okay, so we're still here. Still looking for things to buy. Eh? Buy now. Are you sure?
I'd rather return the video and take one more.
Okay. No. Say hi. Okay, I'll wait for you. Let me go and see what else is here. Okay, no, let me wait here. I'll wait here. We're still looking around. This place is so packed, guys. It is ridiculous. There are like 1 million people in here. So many people in here. Jesus. Guys, skin is giving. Skin is giving. We're trying to decide.
No.
Maybe we'll check. Have you checked Amazon before?
No.
Maybe we should check Amazon. Amazon is the next place that might have it. So we're out of Costco now and heading back home. It was chaotic in there. The lady that attended to us when I was getting my membership said today was the worst day to come in. As Mondays, Fridays, Saturday and Sundays are the worst days to come into this. Okay. So I'm basically just putting groceries away. My husband bought this jam and this bread And I got some of these, some spinach for my smoothies. And I bought some granola to snack on with my yogurt for later. And a few other things I have already put away.